today solve the problem based on time dilation. Okay, so the problem is two observer A on the earth and B in a spacecraft. Okay, so let's this is observer A. Okay, A in on the earth, so this is earth having frame S. Okay, and B in a spacecraft. That means there is another frame in which the spacecraft and the observer B which is inside the spacecraft, and the frame regarding this spacecraft is S dash. Okay, and B in a spacecraft whose speed is 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. That means this spacecraft moves with velocity 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Okay, so V is the relative velocity of B, that means B with respect to A. Okay, that means the velocity of frame S dash with respect to earth, yani S. Now next, both set their watches to the same time when the ship is abreast of the earth. Yani कि initially, okay, initially when the rocket the spacecraft do not move, that means at the starting point when it is at rest, then both the clocks present and they at their frame of reference, that means the clock at A, let's say this is the time ta, and the clock at B, this is the time tb. That means the clock in B and the clock in A shows the same time. That means initially ta equals tb. Okay, now the question is A, how much time must elapse by A's reckoning before the watches differ by 1 second? That means when कि अब जो है ये स्पेस क्राफ्ट जो है वो वी वेलोसिटी से मूव कर चुका है और ये इतना दूर जा चुका है कि इन दोनों वॉचेस के बीच का जो डिफरेंस है दैट इज़ 1 सेकेंड. ओके, सो टाइम डिफरेंस जो गिवन है हमारे पास, द गिवन क्वांटिटी इज टाइम डिफरेंस बिटवीन टू वॉचेस equal 1 second. Okay, so how much time must elapse by A's reckoning? That means we have to calculate the time in watch A. We have to calculate the time in watch A. ठीक है, उस कंडीशन में जब दोनों वॉचेस के बीच का जो टाइम डिफरेंस है वो क्या हो जाए, 1 सेकेंड होना चाहिए. Okay, so now the major question is that what is TA? Either TA is delay time or TA is proper time. Okay, so first of all we should know that TA is delay or either delay or proper time. Okay, so let's understand it. Okay, as we can see that this is a spacecraft B and this is moves with velocity V. So time at in clock B is a proper time because the S dash frame is the frame of the spacecraft. ओके, क्योंकि ये जो spacecraft B है वो S dash फ्रेम में ही है, तो इसलिए यहाँ के क्लॉक में जो टाइम होगा उसमें कोई भी डिस्टर्बेंस नहीं होगा. ठीक है, तो यहाँ का क्लॉक इसके मूवमेंट को प्रॉपरली मेज़र करेगा. ओके, सो टी बी विल बी द टी प्रॉपर. ओके, दैट मीन्स टी बी इज़ प्रॉपर टाइम. And because the spacecraft move with velocity v and it takes time tb, but for earth for frame S the time is tb for this event, so ta will be the delay time. Okay, because the clock present at the frame S will show the time delay. Okay, so the ta is delay time, okay, and TB is proper time, okay. And we have to calculate delay time. So definitely we will know that delay means the time should be greater, the time in clock A should be greater than the time in clock B. So the time difference, definitely we subtract the delay time, that means greater time, to the small time, and this is given to 1 second, okay. And we have to calculate TA, okay. So let's calculate TA. Okay, so we have given TA minus TB equals 1 second, and TA is T delay, and TB is T proper, and we have to calculate T delay, okay. So since we know that T delay equals T proper upon under root 1 minus V square by C square, okay. So from this equation 1, from 1, okay, T delay minus, we can write it T proper as T delay 1 minus V square over C square equals 1, okay. So we have to calculate T delay. So let's separate it. 1 minus V square by C square equals 1. And as we know, the velocity of V is given. What is the value of V? V is 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter second. V equals 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. And we know that C equals 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Okay, so let us calculate T delay. Okay, so this is 1 minus 2 root over, 1 minus 2 into 10 to the power 8 square over 3 into 10 to the power 8 square equals 1, or T delay equals 1 minus 4 by 9, or 1 minus 5 by root 5 by 3 equals 1 T delay. So T delay equals 3 minus root 5 by 3 1, or T delay equals 3 over 3 minus root 5 second. So this is your answer. This is the T delay, okay. So this is section A. So the time for in A's clock is 3 over 3 minus root 5 second, okay. So second, let's solve second part B. To A, okay, that means for A, B's watch seems to run slow. As we can see here that A shows delay time, so definitely the clock of A moves slow with respect to B, okay. So B's watch seems to run slow. No, it cannot be possible. And to B, for B, does A's watch seems to run fast? Of course not. It is not possible. Run so slow. Yes, it is right, okay. So for B, that means this is the proper time. The clock of A definitely runs slow because it shows delay time. That means to cover all the distances, the clock moves slow, okay. So the right answer for B, part B is, ठीक है, पार्ट बी के लिए जो राइट आंसर होगा दैट इज फॉर बी, एज वॉच सीम्स टू रन स्लो. A's watch seems to run slow. Okay, so this is the answer for second part. Okay.